In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Fortnite on Samsung A14 or A15. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to download Fortnite on any Samsung smartphone. You will be able to follow these instructions to check if Fortnite is capable of running on your particular smartphone. So to do this, open a web browser and go to Fortnite.com. In this website, you will be able to download the Epic Games Store application and also the game itself. So in here, tap on the Epic Games icon at the top left and you will see Play Fortnite. So when you choose this option, now if you look at the top right, you will see either the Play Now or Install option. Tap Play Now or Install, whatever you see, and you will be given the option to download it on the Epic Games Store. So tap this button, and now the next thing that appears is the option to download the APK for the Epic Games Store. Download this APK and open it up. When you open this APK, you will be given the prompt to install the Epic Games Store application on your device. So after you have it downloaded and installed, you can switch over to it like a standard application. This is where you will be able to download various different games, including Fortnite. So inside of the Epic Games Store app, use the search function and look for the game, and you will find Fortnite available here. All that you have to do to download it is tap this blue button and it is going to start. Now, I'm going to pause it here because I don't want to install it at the moment, but this is all you have to do. Once it is done, you can launch it through the Epic Games Store app and you can play directly on your Samsung smartphone. If you get an error message like your device is not supported or your device is not capable of running this game, then sadly there is no fix to that. It simply means that the hardware on your smartphone is not capable of running the game and you would have to switch smartphones to get it to work. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on Samsung A14 or A15. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.